What's up guys, today we got the Infinix Note 12 that we need to replace a new LCD for the customer. Let's do that. You can start by removing the SIM card tray. You can now using suction cup to remove the back. We have to remove the back, it's tightened with the glue. So it seems impossible to do that. Maybe we need some heat and some alcohol to remove the back. Sometimes the back takes a long time to be removed because this back is from plastic and the heat could not melt. I don't know what could do with the plastic. Melt, I think, with iron. Anyway, that could damage the back. The heat could damage the back, and this is very problem for us. We can't use too much heat. I'm using the alcohol. The alcohol, it's bad for the adhesive. When you put alcohol to the adhesive will be soft and it will not working again. So you can remove the back easy. So I make a gap, and this is very important for me. With the gap you can use I don't know how much this piece as millimeter, but it's too thin, and this is very important to have one like this. We don't need a thick millimeter, so we could damage or paint the plastic. This tool is very good. I have these tools from the glass screen that I put for iPhone devices. It's called 10D 7D glass protection or tempered glass. So I got these from these screens. So I kept them for this job. I have a phone store, I have accessories and repair shop and selling phones in my store. It's called Telemedia Communications. You can keep putting some alcohol and you can use this tool. This is the plastic tool. It's a ceramic mat. The sticker for the iPhone phones was ceramic. It's anti-static. Alright, be careful while you are removing the back. We don't need to paint or damage the back. We need to put it as it was. How we remove it? We put it down again. I don't think this is a water resistant, but I think it's IP65. So it have small protection from splash and dust splash, nothing all. So we just having a little to be remove the back. It's a little too much, and we will be out. We don't have fingerprint flex cable at the back, so when you remove the back there is nothing on it. It's just plastic, but you have this flex cable. If you put the plastic piece too much inside, you may cut that flex cable. So you have just to go all over the edges. It's about 0.5 centimeter, nothing more, or maybe less. Alright, we have some screws under this plastic camera lenses. Why they do that? Why they have to put screws under that lenses? It doesn't make any sense. Be careful that there is some screw. I think it's 2 screw was there. Alright, now we have this fingerprint flex cable. Remove it. Alright, let's now unplug the battery. To replace a new screen, we need to remove the battery. And this is how we remove the battery. You keep rolling after all the adhesive from under the battery goes out. Sometimes these adhesive could be cut during rolling, and this is a very problem. So we have to put adhesive under the battery so we can remove it in the other way. Alright, the battery has been removed safely, and this is very good. Now you can remove that flex cable. We have two flex cable, one to the main board, to the subboard, and one to the screen. Alright, let's now remove the screen. The screen take long time to be removed. So now I'm going to remove the screen from where is it broken. We can make a gap. After we make a gap, we can put the plastic piece we talked about before. Alright, we can make a gap, put this plastic piece, and then we can swipe down and top. And after that, the screen will be removed without using alcohol or without using heat. I just need to make a gap. I'm using now the heating gun to make a gap. If we make the gap, everything has been done fast. Alright, the gap has been. Alright, let's see the magic. Alright, we just have a little. Always you have to be patient, not just speak back. You have to be patient, not to damage or broke or do anything bad. Alright, the screen is out. The most cases we have the ear speaker shield left on the old screen, so you have to get it from the old screen. Don't forget to do that. As I told you on all my videos, it's very important to clean all over the frame, remove the dust, remove the lifted adhesive or glue, and remove all the tiny pieces of glass. Everything should be clear, and because when we put the new LCD, it will be in the position and it will be straight with the frame. And this is very important to have a good installation, because the customer could complain why my screen is not on the frame, why there is a gap between the screen and the frame. So we have to make everything perfect for the customer. We don't need the customer to come back and told us this is not good, this is not working, this is I don't know. So we have to make everything perfect. We don't want our customer to return and complain. We all know that we are going to fix it for free for the customer, but we don't need that customer to be returned. We need this customer to have a good faith about our job and about what we are doing in here. And we are doing a good job for him. We need him to appreciate our work. It's not easy to be done. Alright, let's now go. As I told you, everyone, you have to be careful from the ear speaker, the camera, and the sensor. You have not to put glue in this area or plug them. This is very important. And all what we have to do is to put a line from the glue. It's CB002. It's relief. It's a very good glue, and it's black because the screen is black. It will be good than the transparent. I see this one is better for me. Alright, we get the sensor area and the ear speaker and the camera. You have to know where to put that glue, otherwise you will make problems for you. Alright, just a line from the glue and it will be enough. Nothing in the middle, nothing. Alright, the screen will go in place perfectly. This is very good. And always, if you can put the original screen, it will be better. The original screen, it will fit perfectly in the position, but the low cost screen, it will be thick about maybe 0.2 millimeter. So if you can buy the original screen, it will be better for you because it will fit in back and you will have a true color and not uh, from the low cost color. Everything can be better with the original. Anyway, we can now put the screen flex cable, put the battery flex cable, and put the back, put also the fingerprint flex cable, and I think we are almost done. Sometimes the front camera could be dirty when you have a broken screen, so that dirt can reach under the screen. So I remembered that the camera was dirty, so that's why I clean it. Alright, if you can doing a good job for the customer, don't hesitate to do it for no cost, because our job is important to be perfect. So now we have putting the frame to the housing. Make sure everything is good. After that, we will put all the screws down. Then we can assemble the back and finish our job. Just need to mention that something you may do before what I did. Before you putting the glue, you can maybe install the screen, make sure it's working and everything is good. The color, there is no touch ghosting, and the touch is also working. There is no line on the screen. After that, you can assemble the screen with the glue. Sometimes if the screen, and it happens, could be broken, damaged, a line ghost touching, the company can't return the screen if there is any glue on it. So you can do that before. I also did it, but I didn't mention it in the video because it will take long time to make the video. Anyway, if you have any questions, you can just write it down in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. This is very important for us. We will appreciate it for you, and we will do something else in the next video. Peace.